Top 2 best free screen recording software for laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Microsoft Store and then search for Microsoft Clipchamp. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Install the app and then click on Open. After opening the app, simply create an account or simply log into your Microsoft account. Then click on Create a new video. Then you'll find Record and Create option on the left side. You'll find Screen and Camera option or Screen option. Simply, you can edit it, record it, and then export. Another second recording software is Fine Screen Recorder. You'll find this in Microsoft Store. Simply click on it. You'll find all these options: mode, FPS, speaker, microphone, camera. After that, you're good to go. These are the 2 top best free screen recording software for laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.